Alright, let's talk iPhone SE 4. Is it back on again? Despite previously saying that it had been canned, in a Twitter thread, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says Apple has restarted the project and that the iPhone SE 4 will feature an OLED display, but from a budget supplier rather than Samsung, which Apple has grown pretty reliant on. He predicts that the phone will be more or less a minor modification of the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and that it will go into production at the beginning of 2024, presumably coinciding with a release later that year. So that's still pretty far away and still pretty big. So much for those holding out that the mini format last seen in the amazing 13 mini, you know I'm a big fan, right, is going to somehow be resurrected in the SE format. That's not looking likely if these reports are anything to go by. It is still pretty cheap compared to other Apple iPhone offerings, but it'll also be pretty big. Boo.